In today's video, I'll show you on how you can transfer XRP from Robinhood to Tangem Wallet. So basically, you want to head over to your Robinhood account right here, and then you want to click on the send button. Now this is going to be the home page. You want to make sure that you're inside the crypto assets and then click on send. After clicking on send, you then want to simply select XRP, and then you want to enter the amount on US dollar or depending on your local currency. You can also change this into something like your crypto asset. For example, if you want to send something like 1.5 XRP to the Tangem wallet, you can just enter that right here. But in this case, we will have to enter the amount that we want to send. For example, $100 is worth around 1 XRP or something like that. From there, we simply need to get the address from our Tangem wallet. To do that, we want to head over to our Tangem wallet account right here. Click on the receive button, and from there you want to make sure that you select XRP. You will receive your QR code and the address itself. Copy the address right here, and then you want to enter it to the QR code or paste the wallet address section of Robinhood. After pasting it, you will see a confirmation address and confirmation fees. You want to click on next, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.